Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Which I'm Arba, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make cat whiskers from a thread, like that, like there. So yeah, look at my whiskers. I'm a cat. Okay, so let's start. So first you need to do this, like this, and you can do this by doing this. Look, like first put the thread in your thumb like that. Okay, now your pinky, get this part and put it on your pinky like that, and do the same with the other hand like that, and yup. Now when you're done with this step, now you're gonna take your index finger and take it all the way, like this thread, go under it and pull it back. Okay, and now you are going to do the same with the other hand, but from now this thing is made, and you're going to do it from here. Okay, from the middle. Okay, now this is made something. Okay, now get your thumbs out, you don't want the thread to be on your thumbs now, not anymore. Bye bye. Okay, there, it's off. Okay, and this cross X is made. Now you're gonna go this is the thread, right? Now you're gonna go through this gap between the second last and last thread, like that. And yeah, you'll just need some practice. Okay, now you're gonna go over this, the second one. Okay, I mean the first one, over this. Okay, and then under the second one, and just grab it. Now you're gonna under. Okay, and you're just gonna do this. Okay, this, and yeah, pull it back. Now we have another weird shape here. Okay, and yeah. And now get your pinkies out like that. Okay, now this mountain pyramid is made. Okay, now you're gonna from here, you're gonna do the same as you did in the thumb, but with your pinky like this, above the first one, under the second one, and then just pull it back like that. Oh, that rhymes. Okay, and now the last step is to get your tongue out. This is another weird shape. You're just gonna get your thumbs out. When you stretch it, ta-da! Cat whiskers. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ouch. Oops. and make sure this doesn't happen. Like this, Bye bye. Me is smelling food. Oh. Next. In the next. Oh my goodness. Give this video a big thumbs up and bye.